Hello and welcome to the section 2 of the course, What's New in Metasploit 5 Features. Now in this section, we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about various Metasploit 5 components and I'm going to explain the features. Let's start with the first video, msfconsole. Now in this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is msfconsole and I'm going to explain the various uses. So you can open Kali Linux machine and then I'm going to show you that what you can do with msfconsole. So guys, I'm here at Kali Linux machine and you can open the terminal of Kali Linux machine, right? And in the previous section, we have learned that how you can update your Metasploit, how you can update from Metasploit 4 to Metasploit 5, right? So now if you want to launch Metasploit framework in Kali Linux, so you can take help of msfconsole, right? So with the help of msfconsole, you can start Metasploit framework, right? So this is one of the best quality in Metasploit, that you can use various exploits and payloads. You can insert the commands that you can do with the help of msfconsole, alright? So if you want to start Metasploit, so you can type here msfconsole and hit enter. And it will start Metasploit framework inside Kali Linux machine. So first of all, it will show you the banner and after that it will start the terminal. So you can see here that this is the banner, got it? And after that you can see the terminal. If you don't want to see this banner, if you want to skip this banner, then what option you can use in msfconsole? Let me show you. Type Ctrl Z to stop msfconsole and now you can type msfconsole. And after that you can type -q and hit enter. Now you will see that it is going to skip that banner and it will only start the terminal of Metasploit 5, right? So this is a way to skip the banner. Now you can see here that it has started a terminal and it is not showing us any banner like this, got it? So that's how you can start the Metasploit with the help of msfconsole. Now you can check various help inside it, so you can type here help. Right, so it is going to provide you various help that what you can do with Metasploit or in MSF, right? So you can see here there is very developer commands that you can provide here. There are various database commands you can connect with the database, right? And various job commands, what you can do, you can kill any process, then how you can search for modules. Core commands are also available here, right? So these all commands you can use inside Metasploit 5, all right? You can also use tabs inside Metasploit 5. For example, you can type here use, and if you want to search that what I can do after use, then you can type tab here, double tab, and it is going to show you that display all 3845 possibilities. Now if you want to read all these possibilities, then you can type Y and it is going to list here all the possibilities, right? So use space double tab and it is going to provide you further options. So if you have no idea what you can do with this command, so you can type the command and after that you can check the options by typing double tab, right? And it is going to provide you options. Let me type no, right? And guys, I can take help of Metasploit 5 to perform various tasks. For example, if you want to perform ping scan, so you can do here, right? So for example, if you want to ping your target machine in your network, so you can type here ping space your target machine IP address. So my Windows machine IP address is 172.20.10.2, right? So I want to check if it is alive or not. So you can type ping space the IP address and hit enter. And you can see here that it is providing me response. It means that the machine is live. So you can see here that I can perform these tasks inside Metasploit. Now Ctrl C to stop it, right? So now you know that what is msfconsole and how it works and how you can take help of Metasploit to find information, right? So you can type double tab if you want to find information about that command and you can perform these tasks inside Metasploit 5.